Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start this keyboard replacement process, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely disassemble your laptop without damaging any components. 1. Power off the device. Always make sure your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming laptop is completely powered off. Disconnect it from any power source and remove the battery if possible. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical damage while you're working. 2. Remove the bottom cover. Using the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws located on the back panel. Keep track of these screws as you'll need them for reassembly. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Work your way around the edges to avoid breaking any clips. 3. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it from the motherboard. This will ensure that there is no power flowing to the device while you are working on it. 4. Access the keyboard. Next, locate the screws securing the keyboard. These are typically found around the perimeter of the keyboard assembly. Remove these screws and gently lift the keyboard from its place. Be cautious of any ribbon cables connecting the keyboard to the motherboard. 5. Remove the keyboard ribbon cable. Once the keyboard is lifted, carefully disconnect the ribbon cable. You can do this by gently lifting the locking tab on the connector. If you feel uncertain about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, helping you avoid any mistakes. 6. Clean the interior. Before installing the new keyboard, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop. Use compressed air and a soft brush to ensure all components are free from dust, which can affect performance. 7. Install the new keyboard. Place the new keyboard in position, ensuring the ribbon cable aligns correctly with the connector on the motherboard. Once aligned, press it into place and secure the locking tab. Reinstall the screws that hold the keyboard in position. 8. Reconnect the battery. After securing the new keyboard, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. This step is important to restore power to your device. 9. Reassemble the laptop. Now, carefully place the bottom cover back on and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure all clips are properly engaged to avoid any loose parts. 10. Final check. Before powering up your laptop, double-check all connections and screws to ensure everything is in place. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, so you won't have to make any calls or travel. 11. Power on the device. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming laptop and test the new keyboard. Check all keys to ensure they are functioning correctly. If you find any issues during this process, we provide a quote before repair so you can make an informed decision. Enjoy your newly functional keyboard. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.